how to set up a keyword automation. Open the Beetexting app on your desktop computer. Select Tools in the left-hand column. Navigate to Automations in the top row. From here, select Create Automation. Title your automation anything you'd like. This is an internal note. For your conditions, which is the purple box, change the drop-down to Message Received, which it's already set at, and exactly matches. Enter your keyword. For your action, we recommend starting with a tag action to have a campaign attribution tag automatically added to your contact's profile so you can keep track of how many keyword opt-ins you receive from your campaign. So go to Action upon met condition, add tag to contact immediately. For this example, I'm going to say the campaign attribution is from AdWords. I'm going to add another action. To do that, you click the Add Action button. Here, I want to send a reply immediately when somebody texts in the keyword trial. I'm going to add an emoji. Of course, if I was doing this for real, I would send them the information they needed to begin their trial. From here, you can continue adding more actions. The other options include adding add tag to contact delayed, remove contact, send a delayed reply. I'll show you what that looks like real quick. If you choose a delayed reply, you get to choose how many days you would like before they receive your next reply, or minutes or hours. And then you would write your message here. Add in any virtual business card, emojis, GIFs, or attachments. Once you're happy with the way that your automation looks, you hit Create. You can turn your automation on or off. For a keyword automation, you can go ahead and turn this on before your business verification is complete, since if somebody sends in that keyword, they are initiating the conversation. And that's it. And you can manage them, turn them on and off from here, and make edits anytime you need.